Goa Institute of Management. We both studied in Goa together, and I'm from Bombay, Karan's from Delhi, and we met there, and we were doing our MBA there. So we're both now working in the corporate world, and now we've been staying in Bombay since we got married, which is like 6 years.
More than 6. So we've been married for 4 year plus. It's been more than six years since we've done our MBA. It was 2009 when we passed out, and immediately when we passed out, I was living in PG. She's from Bombay. She's lived all her life in South Bombay. She's a sober girl, and so I had to take a PG which was near to her place. So I started with Dadar, but when we decided to get married in 2011 early, that time we decided to take a place of our own, and there's a place called Bhakti Park, IMAX Vadala, which was convenient for both of us because she was at Dadar and my office was in Prabhadevi. So we took that place up. Spent a long time there. We first took a 1 BHK in that same complex, and then after 2 years upgraded ourselves to a 2 BHK, obviously rented. And all this while, obviously the idea was that because we don't end up saving, the only way we'll be able to save is if we put a housing loan on ourselves, so therefore automatically the money goes away. And so it took us 4-5 years to pool our resources together to get a place, and so it was almost 2 years now since we bought this place. We bought this place in 29th November 2013 actually, and the strange thing is that this was the first place when we started looking for a house. This was the first place which I saw. I saw it in an ad actually at that time, and we came to this place. At that time it was only till podium level. So someone told me once that in Bombay, so the reference is that I wanted to buy a place, which would also have, if 5 years down the line, I expect myself to upgrade to maybe a better place. I should be able to sell it if I have to sell it, right? I'm not, nowadays you don't tend to buy a place for 30 years. So someone told me, if you ever want to buy a place in Bombay, buy a place with a view or a place on a higher floor. It will always sell pretty easily. So that was one criteria and obviously a dream to have a place with a view. And when we came to the podium also, that time it was only till podium level, the view was fabulous, and we both could actually see what we'll finally get. And so that is something which has been a big satisfaction for us, that it turned out to be in a way in which we expected it to be. And we're really happy about at least the view which we get and the height which we are on. And so that's the background. And I've lived all across India. She's always lived in Bombay apart from the stint in Goa.
So this is the first time I've ever been so north of Bombay, and now I work in Powai, so it's really convenient to be here, and that's one of the reasons we like this area as well, because I can be really close to office.
So I guess there was no plan when we were seeing each other. It was college when we started. When we entered college, we connect, and within few months we started dating each other. And when the college got over, and then we were fortunate and we made sure that both of us are in the same location. We were in Bombay, and I guess our parents were too shy of letting us live in together, and therefore we decided why not just get married now. So we married pretty young for our age, especially for her being a Parsi. She married pretty early. Punjabis, you tend to get married early in any case. And then we thought that, as I told you, that we both are not someone who end up saving a lot of money. If we have money, we'll rather go and see the world, and every year or twice a year we were traveling abroad. So we thought that the only way possible for us to go ahead in life and have something like a stable asset which we can bank upon is to get into buying a house. And we never wanted to buy a house which will be an investment house. We thought buying a house should be always a house where you can live. So given our budget and everything, this area turned out to be something which we thought it's right central, right? Though I have to travel from Lower Parel and even till Mulund, it could be the same distance, but we thought that this is right in between three major areas. You have RCT Mall, which is always a fascination to have, a retail place around your house, and then you have the lovely Powai area, which is like a kilometer from here, and you have the metro, which we don't use as of now, but obviously if you have to access Andheri and that area, that will be again a area which is close by. So all of that worked together, and obviously there were alternatives which we were looking at. As I told you, this was the first house which I actually saw. It must have been in September when we saw this house. For 2 months, we spent almost every weekend when we actually made up our mind. Then every weekend used to be house hunting, and we've looked around 10 localities. We wanted to stay on the eastern line, especially after the traffic issues in western line. There were a couple of other places. I don't want to name the builder because I am the profession I have. I know these builders professionally also. But there was one place which was a big complex nearby, and I actually gave the token. But when I came home, I wasn't happy, so I took the token back, and then finally this turned out, and we decided to go ahead with this place.
So I think buying a house was like the first adult thing we did, like a difficult decision, to commit to something like that. But now being here, having moved in, we're really happy we did it. So I think for us, everything came together really nicely. When we bought the house, it was not ready, and we knew it was going to take some time to get ready, and in the meantime, I actually got pregnant, and then it just happened that it was timed such that just as I was going to have the baby, we were going to get the house, the possession of the house and all. So in fact, when we moved in here, we moved in with a little baby, like she was just 1 month old at the time, and so we've really like started our family and started our life, a new life, moving in here.
So I think for us, as I've said before, a high floor and a view was very important. Now, typically you get that in South Bombay, but obviously those houses were beyond our reach. And when we were looking at properties, we wanted to get something with a good view. And just to show you, if you could actually see this view, this is something which is really what we've taken this place for. And one of the great things is that this is east facing, so in the morning you have the sun coming in, and it's quite fabulous to sit and enjoy the view here. So yeah, with the benefit of open space, we are hoping that at least in the next 10-12 years, nothing will come in this place in front of us, and therefore we should be able to continue and enjoy this view. And honestly, we also believe that because of this, the green area which we believe is mangroves and all, and if something doesn't come in front of it, that is what we actually wanted from this place, a good view. So for me, a health club was important, and there is a pretty decent gym which we have here, which I'm happy to use, and it cuts down my time, which previously I used to go to the gym. And the pool is there. Unfortunately, I have not been able to use it yet. But Nekshan is someone who
It's a nice looking pool.
Yeah, so she likes to use the pool, and hopefully she'll be able to start using that also.
Yeah.
And I think that is one good thing which we were honestly happy about, that even though, in fact, right from the moment the building started, both the pool and the health club was ready, and I wanted to only move when the health club is ready in the building. So that is a good thing which we were very happy about. So I think our interaction with Sanjeev were pretty nice, and one of the things which we try and, especially being a Punjabi, I try and look for is a bargain. And I tried to bargain a lot with him, but it took me 2 months, and they never came down with their price. And then after 2 months, I thought that maybe that's the right way to go about doing business, and that somehow worked out well for me. That gave me a positive reinforcement about the developer. And when I was looking at other properties, there were a lot of negotiation which was available on the table. And I liked the fact that they were clear with what they want to offer, and they stick with their price even 2 months, 3 months down the line. And at that time, we took the 75-25 scheme, and that scheme helped us primarily because till the time we get the possession, there was no interest burden coming on us. And whenever you buy a property which is under construction, one of the key concern you have is whether the builder will deliver on time, because every month of delay would cost you a 35,000-40,000 rent. And they were happy to put it in the loan agreement, in the sale agreement itself, that till the OC is received, they would be willing to reimburse for the interest portion as part of the scheme. So that was very nice for me, because I looked at another property where the similar scheme was available, but this clause was not explicitly captured in the sale agreement. So the moment it was captured in this sale agreement, it gave me that comfort. So I think that was again something which was very comfortable for me to make my decision.
I think also the people we spoke to, everyone who we talked about Mayfair to, they all said that as a builder, he's really trustworthy, always delivers on time. So that reputation gave us a lot of confidence to buy this block.
I think it has to be the view, right? For this building, that's the most important thing, which was the key reason why we took this place.